This thing is just worn out in the steering, like, it's just... I don't think I've ever been into this before. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. I don't know, it might have been just this loose or what, but... Jeez, that's hard in the hands. There's that. So that was in backwards. I don't know what we've got going on under here. Wore right through there. Like when you're on this thing and steering, you could really feel it binding up. I'm thinking, I think this is that. And I think this goes like this. This goes like that. I think that goes like that. Yeah. No. And then that'll be on that. This. And then this. No, because that doesn't look right. It's gotta be just... It's gotta be that. And that. Yeah, I think so. Really? And I'm getting pretty tight here and it's not seizing up. Like legitimately fixed it. Huh. If I didn't fix it, it's good enough. Yeah, that's too tight. Now it doesn't steer. So I'll do one of these. And then one of those. One of those. Now we'll smash that in. Ouch. Pretty much that goes on. Out there. Oh no. That's fine. 3 hours later. A little grindy, bit of sand in it, but way better than it was. No, there's no play. Well, there's lots of play in the shocks and the wheel bearings and everything else, but nothing here. Pretty good.